Little storyteller.
Blue was a fluffy golden retriever with floppy ears and a wagging tail. He loved making things look pretty. One sunny morning, Blue saw lots of brown acorns on the grass. "I have a great idea," he woofed happily. Squirrel Acorn Art Class. Blue gently gathered acorns in his mouth and laid them carefully on a mossy patch under a big oak tree. He arranged them in a circle. "Look!" he barked softly, when a little gray squirrel with a bushy tail scampered down. "It's acorn art!" The little squirrel sniffed the acorns. He picked one up and nibbled on it. "Yummy!" he chittered, and ate the whole thing. Blue wagged his tail hopefully as more squirrels with bright eyes and twitching noses arrived. He showed them how to make a line of acorns, like a little brown snake. The squirrels watched Blue, then looked at the acorns. One by one, they picked up the acorns and munched happily. Soon the art supplies were all gone. Blue looked a little sad, but then a fluffy bunny with long ears hopped over. The bunny had colorful berries in its paws. "Maybe we can make art with these," squeaked the little bunny. Blue's tail started wagging again. The squirrels, their tummies full of acorns, were curious about the bright red and blue berries. Together Blue, the bunnies and the squirrels arranged the berries in a beautiful flower shape. The squirrels didn't try to eat these right away. They looked so pretty. Blue barked happily. Making art was fun, and sharing ideas with friends was even better. It's good to try new things and share what you have with others.
Please subscribe. Thank you.